mentioned, the company recently optioned one of the largest undeveloped precious and polymetallic deposits in British Columbia, the J&L project. The J&L property is located approximately 600 kilometers northeast of Vancouver and 32 kilometers northeast of Revel, British Columbia. The J&L property represents one of the largest undeveloped precious and polymetallic deposits in British Columbia. A total of 3.1 kilometers of underground workings are present on the property. A 550-meter-long 832 trackless drift provides underground access to a 1.4-kilometer-long 830 track drift, which is exposed the main zone for approximately 0.8 kilometers in length. 5 crosscuts totaling 1.15 kilometers provided access to drill stations that were utilized to drill-define the deposits. Several raises have aided in the extraction of several bulk samples. There are a total of at least 315 diamond drill holes that have been completed on the property from 1983 to present, totaling over 41,000 meters of drilling. The property has 2 known and significant precious and polymetallic mineral deposits. The main zone sheeted sulfide vein system has been traced on surface by prospecting, trenching, and soil sampling for a strike length of over 3 kilometers, and traced by drilling for 1.5 kilometers strike length and by 0.8 kilometers down dip. The main zone generally dips approximately 60 degrees to the northeast, with an average true thickness of 2.5 meters. However, can reach up to 15 meters in true thickness. The silver-lead-zinc-rich Yellowjacket Zone is made up of a series of lenticular bodies, each up to 8 meters thick. The Yellowjacket Zone subparallels and is in the immediate hanging wall of the main zone. The Yellowjacket Zone has no notable gold, however, it has higher silver, lead, and zinc values than the main zone. Underground bulk samples have been taken from the main zone to conduct metallurgical test work. Although the main zone is a complex polymetallic deposit, high in arsenic values, which create a challenge in the production of saleable zinc and lead concentrates and the economic recovery of gold, extensive metallurgical testings have produced numerous effective options for acceptable recoveries of gold, silver, zinc, and lead by making 3 separate concentrates. Based on the current envisioned circuit and corresponding laboratory test response, the overall process recoveries for the main zone are expected to be approximately 93% gold, 70% silver, 74% lead, and 80% zinc. The Yellowjacket Zone has lower tonnage than the main zone and only minor gold credits, but higher silver, lead, and zinc content, and is easier to process than the main zone. The Yellowjacket Zone produces good separation of galena and sphalerite, with most of the silver, along with minor contained gold, primarily reports to the lead concentrate. The expected process recoveries for the Yellowjacket Zone are 94% silver, 88% lead, and 93% zinc. On January of 2018, P&E Mining Consultants, on behalf of Golden Dawn Minerals, updated the mineral resource estimate on the JNL to include current trailing metal prices, current costs, as well as the results of the 2012 drill program. The company is now in the process of completing an updated preliminary economic assessment. The updated PEA will develop a base case mining and processing scenario on the property, as well as having preliminary feasibility study level metallurgical test work carried out. This will be followed by a preliminary feasibility study, and if economically feasible, to start mining. It is apparent that both the main zone and the Yellowjacket Zone have potential for expansions. The main zone in particular remains open in a number of directions. Its surface strike length has been established to be in excess of 3 kilometers, of which only a portion has been drill tested to date.